dramatic, exciting.
Lovely experience, lovely music.
It's very sexy as well.
The show I loved. I liked the way that people seemed to be coming out of the woodwork almost. That was a great thing. And let alone the singing, of course.
Finca la vino, calla la testa, una gran festa fa preparare. Se trovi in piazza qualche ragazza che come quella cerca menare.
O, mae'n wych cyfod nôl mas na, gwych cyfod nôl yn y theatr, gweld pobl yn mwynhau eto a'r buzz so chi'n cael yn watcho fe ar y sgrin.
It's just such beautiful music. So you can't resist it. It's just glorious from beginning to end.
It's a great one, particularly if you're new to opera. There's lots of tunes that you'll know.
It's a great show, the cast were amazing, and also that the ending was great. That's one of the best endings of Don Giovanni I've ever seen.